Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZSAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you maybe are new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above the $5 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 5, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of that pretty nasty pullback that occurred, but obviously the bull stepped in and, just bounced very, very nicely. But the bottom of that portion was right around 410. So again, near-term supports, $5, and then the 410 mark. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. The party finally stopped today right up around the 650 range. So 650 public enemy number 1 going into Friday. So we'll see how this all plays out. But all in all, great movement today. A lot of momentum, a lot of volume. I know I'll be watching this one tomorrow.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.